So to get the panel out, it's basically just a case, use a rag, flat screwdriver, poke it under the edge and just give it a little lift. Just try it all the way around. It's only a sticky tape, it's easy done. Once one end starts to come, you swap it round, do the other side.
So we can do it as well, yeah? So yeah, but this one, you want to take it out.
That's it. Popped up now. Once it's popped up, it's a very sticky tape. And you've got your serial numbers on here which begin with 3, but the serial number is most important, is the one, that one begins with 5. And to actually replace it, all you've got to do is plug this part here. You don't need this part. If we unscrew, let's get my Phillips screwdriver. So this lead here, because it's all zip tied in, you can just pop that back in. That's obsolete. And then your new panel, all you've got to do here this one's got a slightly different fitting, which is sealed inside. So all you've got to do is pop that through the hole. Make sure you've got your panel the right way up, so that's that way around there. And then you've just got a sticky tape just to change it over. I'll just take the outer bit off.
Well, like the stickable foam? Yeah.
Double check the right way around. Pop it in the hole.
You don't need the seal, but you're definitely not gonna.
It sticks very well, so you haven't got to be too firm with it. And then down here, when you actually come to wire it in, the cable that you have here, you more than likely will find you haven't even got to open up the control box. Get the little tag undone. So this here, you've got a little black cover on the end, and then what you'll find is down here is the grey cable, which is this one here. So if you split the cable here,
Okay.
Then they can come find me.
finger on it.
Oh, one more question. You're gonna have a lighting on
Like that. So you basically now got the new block, you can just plug in to that one. Okay, and that's it. Basically that's done. And then just rest the cable down. This cable obviously is what's left over from the original, but it just saves you unzipping all the zip ties and everything else. All done.